Who drinks eggnog? What is eggnog? Where did it come from? When is it consumed? Why is it a holiday tradition? And how is it made? All will be revealed. Let's get this over with. I'm going to be cheeky now and take a little sip while it's still warm. It's still actually quite hot. If you were here, Pete, we could give you a little shot now. Let's taste it. Oh, that's lovely. Mmm. Who knew? It would explain why it's one of the most popular kind of drinks to have in America at Christmas time. Here, do you want to come over and try it? You can say hi to Peter if you like. Or are you going to be shy?
Hey, Peter.
Grab it from here. It's clean.
Yeah, but could you just load it for me, perhaps?
I will load it for you, okay.
Thank you.
Baby shots. These are baby shots.
Oh, this is too much, but
No, it's
we'll
not.
finish it. Well, I'm still working, so
You'd be grand.
God knows what I'll produce. Eggnogs.
What do you think? I think it's lovely.
Packs a punch. It's gorgeous.
It's got 180 ml of rum in there. So if you divide it 180
It's
twice,
very nice.
you have to drink it. Divide
I
100
have to lift weights in 30 minutes. So,
Sorry, Peter. Life doesn't always go the way you want. So it's 180 ml of alcohol for 6 eggs. So that's 30 ml of rum for each serving. That's quite. It's a potent little mixture.
I'll be careful with this one.
Yeah,
It goes very easy.
Peter's asking if I added bourbon. No, I added rum. Rum. Let me see if I can find the bottle.
To recycle.
I've already.
It's a Havana Club.
I've
Havana
already.
Club
It was
stuff.
Havana Club rum. I already recycled the bottle. I had to run down to the store to get some. Eggs. Okay. Well, listen. I've gotten all the footage I need for this one. Peter, thank you for watching, and until we meet again on another live. Take care. Bye.